welcome to IndianExpress.com. Days after the Law Commission released a questionnaire seeking answers from various stakeholders and the general public regarding the Uniform Civil Code, the All India Muslim Personal Law Board has slammed the centre, alleging that the Law Commission's move was influenced by the government and it is acting as an organ of the government. To discuss this, I'm joined by my colleague Manish Chibber, who will throw some more light on the various developments of the day. First of all, Manish, what are the key takeaways that we can gather from what the All India Muslim Personal Law Board today said in response to the Law Commission's questionnaires?
The biggest thing that the Muslim Personal Law Board chairman today said is that this questionnaire is an attempt by the Narendra Modi government to usher in a common civil code, which has been a demand of the BJP for many years now. So they are saying that it is basically vote bank politics, and it is also an intrusion into practices of the Muslim faith.
Okay.
So they have said we will not cooperate with the Law Commission. We will not send any response to the Law Commission, and we are going to boycott this questionnaire.
Okay.
So basically, they claim to be representing the Muslims living in this country, and they have said that this is an intrusion into their practices, and that is why, and also an attempt by the government to secure votes, and that is why they are saying that we will not cooperate with this.
Right, Manish, also can you briefly tell us what the questionnaire that was released by the Law Commission really tells us?
It's a very interesting questionnaire. It has 16 questions, and everybody, not just Muslims, Hindus, Christians, Sikhs, anybody, can send in responses. And the Law Commission has announced that it has given a 45-day period for people to send in their responses, after which they will take a stand on the issue. And it all started with the triple talaq thing.
Okay.
But now they have expanded it into the Common Civil Code and the rights of Hindu women, and to have a share in the property of their husbands or their parents. And they have taken recourse to Article 44 of the Constitution, which says that the state, which is India, shall endeavour to secure for the citizens a uniform civil code throughout the territory of the country.
Okay.
So basically, they have used this as the opening gambit. But here, the operative part in this article is shall, and it does not talk about that it will be. It's something which can happen. It's something which may not happen. Yes. So but the questionnaire in itself is I would say a very secular questionnaire, but it is anybody's idea who is it aimed at, because it talks about the need to merge all kind of personal laws into one common civil code. It also asks the people to respond whether existing personal laws and customary practices need codification, and would they eventually benefit the people. It also asks that whether the practice of triple talaq should be regulated, banned, and whatever. It also talks about that, asks whether the 2-year period of wait for finalizing divorce among Christian couples, it violates their fundamental right to equality. And it also asks that whether the respondents agree or believe that all religious denominations should have a common ground for divorce, and all laws should be codified into one single law, that is Common Civil Code.
So in that case, is it right to say, or can we say that it is actually BJP versus the rest when it comes to raising the issue of Uniform Civil Code?
When the chairman of the Muslim Personal Law Board was today addressing the media, his very obvious reference was to the government headed by the BJP. And with UP elections round the corner, and if you consider the fact that this has been the Uniform Civil Code or the Common Civil Code has been a big talking point or vote garnering point with the BJP. it leaves nobody in doubt who he was referring to.
Okay.
And everybody seems to agree that it's aimed at, the BJP would like this to go ahead and, something to come out of this questionnaire because, it will sort of polarize the UP electorate on religious and communal grounds, and maybe, somebody will stand to gain. And that is one reason why many political parties are still the Congress today gave a very, very soft response that it will be difficult to implement. They have not said whether it is a good questionnaire or a bad questionnaire. Everybody is very wary of sticking, except the BJP, of sticking the neck out. BJP on its part, and its government, if you see, they recently filed an affidavit in the triple talaq case in the Supreme Court, where they have said that triple talaq is unconstitutional as it discriminates between people, women from the Muslim faith on grounds of, on the issue of equality before law. And they have said that it is also against her fundamental rights, and that is why they have said that this practice of granting triple talaq, where the husband simply mouths these three thrice and the divorce is supposed to have come through. They have said that it is not done, it is not legally permissible,
and it's unconstitutional. Thank you so much, Manish, for giving us your perspective as far as this entire issue of Uniform Civil Code is concerned. For more news and updates, log on to IndianExpress.com.